Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome back to the science class for the grade 5. Today we are going to start lesson number 5, rocks and minerals. At the end of this video, you will be able to classify rocks into different types and you will be able to list examples of each type. So let's start our lesson. Earth's surface is entirely made up of rocks. That is why it is called a rocky planet. Rocks are natural, non-living, solid substances composed of minerals. There are many different kinds of rocks. They can be divided into three main groups. They are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Let's start with igneous rock. Deep inside the earth, there are large pockets of hot molten rocks called magma. The tremendous pressure inside the earth causes magma to move upwards towards the surface of the earth. Some of it erupts on earth's surface, which is then called lava. You might have seen the lava which is erupting from a volcano. When this magma or lava cools down, it hardens to form igneous rocks. The term igneous is derived from igneous, the Latin word for fire. It means fire. Now we will see types of igneous rocks. There are two main types of igneous rocks, intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks. So first one is intrusive igneous rocks. When magma cools slowly below Earth's surface, it forms intrusive igneous rocks. This happens over thousands of years as magma cools down slowly and it forms crystals. Granite is an example of intrusive igneous rock. So granite is actually extremely very hard and durable rock. It is often used in the construction of monuments and buildings. We can commonly see kitchen counters made of granite in our homes. And mica, quartz are the main mineral found in the granite. Next is extrusive igneous rocks. When magma reaches the surface of the earth, usually as volcanic lava, it cools and hardens quickly to form the extrusive igneous rocks. Basalt, pumice and obsidian are some examples of extrusive igneous rocks. Basalt is the most common rock in Earth's crust. It makes up most of the ocean floor. Basalt is dark grey in color. It is rich in magnesium and iron. Next is pumice. Pumice is a light colored rock formed by quick cooling of lava. Next example, obsidian. Obsidian is a shiny, smooth, black rock formed by cooling of lava. Okay, obsidian can be broken into pieces with very sharp edges. Because of this, people in ancient times used it to make cutting tools. As you have seen, different kinds of rocks are divided into three groups: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So now we will see about sedimentary rocks. Sand, clay, and rock fragments are carried by wind and water into water bodies. They sink to the bottom as sediments. Over time, multiple layers of the sediments accumulate one over the other. The layers on the top compress the bottom layers. The continuous pressure over thousands of years cements the bottom layers together, which then harden to form sedimentary rocks. Types of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are grouped according to the way they are created and the size of the fragments they contain. Conglomerate, sandstone, shale, and limestone are examples of sedimentary rocks. First, we will see conglomerate. Conglomerate is made up of large rounded rock fragments such as pebbles, gravel, and boulders. The rock fragments are cemented together by sand and minerals. Conglomerate is used in the construction industry. Okay, next is sandstone. Sandstone is made up of sand grains. It is composed mostly of quartz. It is a soft stone. Sandstones are resistant to saline air, which makes them perfect for building exterior portions of seashore buildings. They are also heat resistant, so they are used for making fireplaces. Red Fort, Qutub Minar, and Angkor Wat in Cambodia are some famous monuments built with sandstone. Next is shale. Shale is made up of hardened layers of very fine particles of clay and silt. It is used to make cement and bricks. So these are types of sedimentary rocks. Next is limestone. Limestone forms from the accumulation of shells of dead sea creatures. The main mineral in limestone is calcite. Chalk is a soft limestone. Limestone is easy to cut into blocks. Complex carving can also be done on it. It is used in making roads, buildings, and in the manufacture of cement. So children, it was all about igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. In the next video, we will see about metamorphic rocks and minerals. Okay, that's it for today's video. Take care, goodbye, and thanks for watching.